So the thing is this is a drain that basically fits on the side of the box and allows access for cleaning from the top. This is the pattern for drilling, and it just clips into place. Then you can mark the 4 little holes and drill them. I'll drill them now. So we have 4.5mm holes, and now these pilot holes in here will line up perfectly with those when we put it on, like that. So there's a little bit of space left for that clip, and they screw from the inside. So you can see I've got those in place. Just do them up gently. The concrete will hold this all in place. And there you go. So the drain hole drains out there. That is nice and low on the box there, and no intrusions in the box. Use these pan head screws. These are 4.2mm pan head screws, like the type that we use for fixing the timber to steel frame gates. And then when you come to this 63mm duct will fit obviously right down into your drain. Drill holes, 20mm holes in the sides of it, fill it up with drainage to wherever you want. I mean, up to pretty much to there. And then what this means is that in future we can check the drainage, but we can also clean the drainage. If you have this pipe straight down, then a 2-inch auger bit can fit down in there all the way, drill it out, clean out the works if it gets clogged up. And then I've got some little caps that go on here, and then this is just concrete up to here. You can have 1 or 2 on each box. You can put them on each side, they're ambidextrous. So that should help keep some drainage going.